we are talking about this track when it's raining or on the soft ground. Your driving is not easy control. So this is the direction instruction how we should use it. If every time it's raining, the road is slippery or is very soft, so first we need to put as a neutral, it's parking. Then we'll choose the 6x6. Then right now all the three others is locked, so you can drive in like normal. Then everything is okay. But if you want to off it, you need to first put in the neutral, park, then off it. This one only for the raining, slippery road or soft road. For the standard road, dry road, we shouldn't use this 6x6. Another tip, if we from the mountain coming down, apart from use the brake, we can use this retarder. We can put on the 5. Then you can see the track will reduce the speed itself. You don't need always use the brake.